Like, oh my God. Woo! I'm out here catfishing people. I actually went in public looking like this. I look like I should be somewhere screaming, I got the bike holiday! Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Y'all, I ought to be ashamed of my damn self. I look like ass. Oh my gosh. I will never look like this again. I will never go out the house looking like this again. I've been out all day. It's 8 o'clock and I'm just now recording. But it's okay, because we're going to smash this food real quick and then I'm going to start recording. I'm going to do what I'm supposed to do. Ooh, that's got some kick to it. We're just going to do a little quick silk press today because my hair need a break from the gots to be. My hair has been hella crunchy, hella nasty after I take my ponytails down or whatever. So I just want to give my hair a break. I'm going to go ahead and silk press it today. And I'm going to show y'all how the It's a 10 works on the natural hair. If you don't have the It's a 10, you sleep, baby. You just sleep. Let's go wash this nasty hair. And we're going to be right back. I went ahead, hopped in the shower, put my deep conditioner on. And I'm gonna let this sit. Y'all, my stomach hurts so bad. Ooh. I went ahead and did my deep conditioner on my hair. I ran out of plastic bags, so I had to just put a little clip in there. So I went in and washed my hair with this Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. Y'all, this shampoo was really, really good. This was my first time using it. And the only reason I used this one and bought this one today was because I had been using this repairing Cocoon mask, and when I say, like, this is probably my newfound favorite deep conditioner, because like I can brush through my hair like in a split second when I put this on my hair. So I have been really, really loving this, and I was like, okay, well, I like the deep conditioner, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the shampoo. And the shampoo was just as amazing, and you only need a little bit. It lathers really, really good. So y'all check that out. And again, this is not sponsored. These are just my own opinions. Y'all don't pay attention to my curl pattern, because my hair, I got my hair colored a while back, and ever since then my hair just has not, it's not gone back to what it used to be, because I actually am a natural straight kind of girl. So I was wearing my hair straightened all the time. I kind of was over the curls. Honestly, I'm still over the curls. And the only reason I have not relaxed my hair is because I'm scared it's gonna break off even worse than what it has been doing. So right now I'm trying to nurse my hair back to health, and these particular products are kind of helping me do that when I keep straightening my hair. First one, so this It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle H2O Shield. So I've been using It's a 10 for, I don't know, it's been at least a couple of years now. And first of all, it's called It's a 10 because it has 10 different things that it'll instantly do. So this particular one repels water, heat activated, durable anti-freeze, high shine, weightless formula, superior detangling, so forth, so on. Like, there's 10 of them on here. This particular product, first and foremost, the key to a silk press, let's start there. The key to a silk press, for one, your hair has to be blow dried bone straight. No waves, no kinks, no coils, none, like bone straight. In order to do that, you need all water-based products. You need products that are like this, you know, misty. You don't want no cream products, because if you use cream products, that product is going to cake up in the hair and you will not be able to blow dry that. I love the It's a 10 because, for one, it is definitely water-based. It's super lightweight. It's super lightweight. And it doesn't build up. Like, it's a buildable product. Just like you kind of have buildable makeup products, I feel like this is a product that you can kind of build on. Especially if there are other water-based products. That way you can really get a nice smooth shine to your silk press. I feel like this is one of the products that has really helped my hair hold its integrity over the years. And I know, like, y'all probably thinking, girl, what the hell, you got heat damage and all kind of damage all over the place. This particular product has actually helped my hair stay in the best condition that it's in. So even though, yeah, I have some heat damage right now and, you know, just some broken off spots that I've been like clip-in every time I straighten my hair so they can just like keep the split ends off the ends of them. It's definitely helps. And for y'all thinking that It's a 10 is not for African American hair, you were lied to. This product works extremely well on kinky hair, coarse hair, 4B up on to 4C hair. It works on all kinds of hair. So this particular product is a really great one to have, especially if you are trying to silk press your hair. Now, if you're doing your regular curls and stuff, I wouldn't suggest using it because the bottle is like about $30 depending on which one you get. So I wouldn't too much worry about using that on a regular basis. Again, I would only use that if you are doing any kind of heat styled hair or like flat iron, silk press, whatever you want to call it. I would definitely only use that product for that. This next product that you see me kind of putting through my hair, I found out about this product probably a year ago. Completely changed my life, because when I tell y'all, it used to take me like 45 minutes to blow dry my hair. Just ridiculously long for no reason. It's called the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Y'all ignore all the juices and stuff that's on my hands right now, but the Super Skinny Serum. So this particular product is made to assist in cutting down the drying time of your hair. When I started using the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, my silk presses started to look shinier. My hair was, when I say bone dry in 25 minutes, I am not lying to y'all. Bone dry in 25 minutes. Put my products in, y'all can see my hair, like, it's still real light. Like, you don't see any of the products I just put on my hair because, again, they are all water-based. And that is going to help me achieve a really nice and flat and sleek silk press, because that's what we want. You want to be able to get that salon grade silk press at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and blow dry it, and I will show y'all how my blow dry looks, like how shiny it is and all of that, in a second. When you are blow drying your hair, if you still have poofy roots up here, but this is straight, that means your hair is still not bone straight. They should not have any kind of poof to them. So I'm going to go back over my hair and make sure that I have all of the poofy roots gone. I want to really focus on my roots to make sure they are dry. That way my silk press can be bomb, grade A, silky smooth. All right. The puffy roots are gone, and this is the look of my blow dry. So, like I said, the key to a nice silky smooth flat iron or silk press, like I said, whatever you want to call it, is going to be your blow dry. The better your hair is blow dried, the better chance you have at just doing one pass over your hair. I know that y'all see a lot of stylists out here, and by no means am I a stylist or professional. So let's just put that out there. Let's be clear. But again, if you want to do one pass on your hair and you want to make sure that you don't have too much heat damage from the flat iron, it's really like you're choosing the lesser of two evils. Like, either you're going to blow dry the hell out of your hair and make sure it's bone straight, or you're going to have to go over your hair a couple times. That just is what it is. Typically, when I'm straightening my hair, I try to do one pass, but there are some times, especially like if there's some, you know, thicker spots, my hair has, like, I swear, like 12 different textures in this mug. Like, it's a lot going on in this head. It's a big old head over here. Y'all have to excuse me. I hella thought that my arms were shaved, and apparently they are not. So it's cool. I'm gonna take another shower in the morning, so don't come for me. Oh, and y'all gotta excuse the back of my hair too. I told y'all my hair is broke off from that color, and yeah, it's just not in the greatest state right now, but
I have been keeping this area trimmed as much as possible. That way I can make sure that I keep the split ends off of it. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 at the root and go ahead and drag that down. Now typically you could do the chase method with a comb. I'm not gonna do that just because it takes me a while. And see, that's one pass. One pass is really all you need. But y'all see them little kookaburras back there, so we're gonna go ahead and hit that root another time, cause baby, it be a little thick back there. That's all I'm gonna say. It be a little thick. 1, shit, I just burned myself. 2, 3, and go back over it. Nice and slow. And that's it. That's 2 times. You do not need any more than 2 times. You really don't need nothing more than once, especially like I said, if your flat iron is good in the way that it's supposed, I mean, your blow dry is good in the way it's supposed to be. But again, in some spots of my hair, I do go ahead and do it twice. But you definitely do not need to put the flat iron on your head more than 2 passes. So again, 1, 2, that's my root. This is the 3rd time. I'm going to go all the way down. So you see it's nice and silky. It's got some good shine to it. It still has some bounce to it. So that is a combination between all of the products that I showed you. The It's a 10, the Silky Serum, and the treatment. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly through the rest of my hair real quick. And yeah, because I'm getting sleepy. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm telling y'all though, I'm trying to stay on schedule. Wow, I got stuff to do. I got content that I'm trying to get out. And I'm like, well, if we gotta stay up a little late, we just gonna have to stay up a little late. So yeah, let me go ahead and run through the rest of this hair, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up. My eyebrows look crazy. I look like I'm part of society again. I'm looking like I'm supposed to be out in, you know, out in traffic, not out in the wilderness and whatnot. So these are like, do y'all see that? Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. That baby is a silk press, okay? You want that hair to be able to swing. You want that hair to be shiny. Y'all see I took my Moroccan treatment and I just put a little bit in my hands and went ahead and put some at the top on my flyaways. That way I don't have no hair flying away. I mean, I could use my wax stick, but I really don't care to use my wax stick that much. So I just went ahead and did the treatment because I'm about to wrap my hair anyway. So yeah, these are the vibes on the silk press. You want your silk press to be nice and shiny and silky, and you want to be able to like just kind of, you know, like, what you say, girl? You want to be able to just have that hair moving all over the place. So I'm about to go ahead and wrap my hair and go ahead and call it a night. But again, I hope that y'all try out some of the products. Like I said, if anything else, definitely make sure that you grab that It's a 10. It's a really, really great product. And all of the products, like that Paul Mitchell y'all saw, like I legit timed myself and my hair dried in 25 minutes. So if you got thick hair, sis, you definitely want to put some of that Paul Mitchell in your cabinet. I'm just saying. Like, oh man, I think I'm gonna let my gray strip grow back. Y'all, my gray strip will get as long, like it'll look like Rogue from X-Men. I think I'm gonna let it go ahead and grow back because I'm done with the color. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I'm about to wrap my hair and I'm about to jump on in this bed. But before I let y'all go, if you're feeling the girl and you're feeling the content that I'm putting out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when these videos is going up on the channel. Okay, so again, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow because I'm tired and I'm about to pass the hell out. So see y'all.